What's happening, y'all? It's Josh. Beautiful day, Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. Today we got a 1929 Ford Roadster. Absolutely gorgeous build here. Brand new build. Top of the line stuff was put on it. Running a 350 motor, turbo 350 automatic transmission. Got a nice set of headers. Got chrome starter. Beautiful set of chrome valve covers. Got the Sniper EFI fuel injection system. Got aluminum radiator with electric fan up front. All the chrome goodies everywhere. Beautiful ladder bars. Bracings. Got disc brakes up front there. Nice chrome, nice shocks. LED headlights up front. Front looks beautiful. Paint looks absolutely gorgeous. Nice reflection there. Have a soft top for it as well. Nice interior throughout. Got digital gauges. Like I said, Sniper EFI computer right there. We'll fire it up here in just a sec. Whitewall tires on all four wheels, as well as the trailer. Got some storage back here. All your needs. Got the gas tank, cover. Battery's been relocated back here. Comes with the Coca-Cola cooler in perfect shape. Little storage rack. It's a fiberglass trailer. Storage is back here. Beautiful build. We got an 8-inch rear underneath. Continuing the details all underneath. Beautiful build here. Nice dual exhaust. Digital gauges. Fires right up like she should. Nice build, ready to rock and roll. We have nationwide shipping and financing available. If I can earn your business, let me know.